Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the Sodola 6-port 2.5G web-managed switch, a powerhouse networking solution that's making waves in the industry. Now, let's break down what makes this switch stand out from the crowd. First off, we have the impressive 6-port design, featuring 5 2.5G RJ45 ports and one 10G SFP+ port. This means lightning-fast connectivity for all your devices. But it's not just about speed. This switch also comes packed with essential features like static aggregation, COS, VLAN management, and IGMP snooping, giving you full control over your network. Speaking of control, the web-based management interface makes configuration a breeze. Whether you're toggling PO ports, checking device status, or fine-tuning your network settings, it's all easily accessible with just a few clicks. Now, let's talk compatibility. The Sodola switch plays nice with a wide range of Ethernet devices, from gaming PCs to 4K video setups. And with support for 2.5G Wi-Fi 6 APs and NAS systems, you can future-proof your network for whatever comes next. In summary, the Sodola 6-port 2.5G web-managed switch offers blazing fast speeds, robust management features, and seamless compatibility, all at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're a home user, LAN party enthusiast, or small business owner, this switch has you covered. That wraps up our review of the Sodola 6-port 2.5G web-managed switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay connected.